we are doing good. We are doing well in Ghana. And some of you might not be aware, just 2 weeks ago, in Nigeria, established the first CNG gas facility in Ghana.
Oh, indeed. Nigeria for be fili Oma Konkro Ghana mo pa na they will do well in Oma Konkro Ghana. If you say omo no mo woni half of the land in Ghana. Abusu ya bomo de subscribe channel like na ebusu kunim bonye kakaka. Aha ichiame media. Oba so a na bomo de hwe video no akọ achiri na wetimi ache wadwen e comment section ya mama. Oba bomo de subscribe na wa like na ebusu kunim go na kakaka. It is what it is. And I think 3 days ago na Minyaba Rashida sending me link of this Nigerians omujina ho omuso omuye press conference omuye meeting say then I don't know and omushu in the video nimu omushu card bi say Nigeria for use card wo Ghana say and it say Ghana card na say bia you know your ID card no nkofo so special card bi ya Ghana aban and I say according to say the omo kan yere amomo na almost say resident permit to say then no yenti so free that amount na was no na embra form amount na wo embra form and I was like abzia ye go share video no na embra ye ba na yato aso me nkasa bebe me sheda nkasa this particular video ho one question pe en mebusa ye mampani and I say o ma konko Ghana e mampani for abzia ye nkomra ye ba na yato aso that's it.
We are doing good. We are doing well in Ghana. And some of you might not be aware, just 2 weeks ago, in Nigeria, established the first CNG gas facility in Ghana. In Tema, and that project was over 15 million US. It's in Nigeria. So we have so many things to be proud of. I expect when we are doing a program like this, I'm not happy because I told the ANC that this place will not contain us. We have a lot of Nigerians here. We need to join when we see people that are sacrificing for us, because ANC executive, they are sacrificing. When you see people that are sacrificing, they need to be supported. And I know anytime people see me, they always ask me, our problem in Ghana is cost of resident permit, cost of Ghana card. I want to assure you, we have been discussing with the government. The recommendation has gone to the parliament to reduce the cost of resident permit and also the Ghana non-resident card. Presently, it is $120. Also, within the next 1 or 2 weeks, I can confirm that it's going to be reduced to $60. So what is our role in all this? Listen to us that this thing should be reduced. Then, when it is reduced, I want to appeal to all of us to have, especially the Ghana non-resident card. We are making efforts. The government has discussed with me that if we allow it, that they will set up a center here to capture Nigerians for non-resident card at $60 per person. But I told them I have to seek approval from headquarters. But one thing that is certain is that cost is going to be reduced. Just a few days ago, some Nigerians, they drive tricycle, motorcycle. They came here complaining that immigration is extorting them, police extorting them. And for we, the High Commission, to take up a matter, there must be concrete evidence. There must be complaint, official complaint. But unfortunately, I even asked them, majority of them, they don't have papers, they don't have card, they don't have welfare card. And this is even why we, all of us, we are supposed to have this welfare card. So I'm pleading it once again. When we live here, my arrival in Ghana and compare with my experience in other countries that I've served, when you do comparative analysis of how the all Nigerian community, how they have, organized themselves here, I want to commend them. I want to commend them for their, tireless work, for their vision. If not for vision, if not that they have vision, they would not have, come out with the initiative that is being launched today. And sometimes when you start a program, you begin to, to complain to see one or those things. But when the seed begin to germinate, that is when you begin to see what the ANC leadership, the current ANC leadership, what they are doing. So I'm commending this project to every Nigerian in Ghana, irrespective of either you are from South, you are Igbo community. There should be no division when it comes to this. Is a lofty, a laudable project that all of us should support. So I'm not only commending the ANC leadership, I'm also commending even our fathers, our brothers, our youth for representing Nigeria, for projecting the name of Nigeria in Ghana. Whatever anyone will say, I think I can vouch that Nigerians in Ghana, they have been doing their best, they have been comporting themselves. Some will ask, what of those cyber crime that they have always been arresting? Like last week, I had a meeting on the activities of Nigerian youths that are involved in cybercrime with a minister. I will not mention him. But what we were saying, I said, look, a country of 250 million people, definitely you will see the ones that people call non-conformists. Even in this hall, even when a father has only 10 children, you might likely see one of them, that will not be a conformist. They will tell you, go this way, you want to go this way. And when you look at a population of over 250 million people, so if you see 5 people, 10 people committing crime there, you can't compare with a community. There are some countries here, Ghana neighbor here, that they are less than 3 million, they are less than 20 million. So you can, when you look at the proportion of people, getting involved in crime. So, and I tell people, even in the US, everywhere, there are levels of crimes at every society. And because I thought like today might not be the best time to say this, but I need to just hint that we need also to use this opportunity to talk to our people, especially our youth. Nigerians are resilient. Nigerians are resilient. Nigerians are energetic. Nigerians are hardworking. But sometimes some of us, when we are misinformed, we tend to embark on some nefarious activities. Please, I employ all of us to every forum that we have to always advise our youth against anything that is illegal. Cybercrimes is illegal. That you cannot claim that I didn't know. Please, Ghana Ghana is safe. Ghana is good, yes. But if you do not have any technical skills and you are coming to Ghana, what are you going to do? It is then because you don't have any technical skills, you begin to roam the street, you begin to embark on illegal activities. Please let us carry this message to our youth. No one says you should not come to Ghana, but when you are coming to Ghana, make sure you are documented. Make sure you take the pathway that will not create, trouble for you.
Abusante video ni nie enti me nua Rashidia the video asene manya taxi bebre e this particular video ho sanso na mame Sylvia so this video is send me and I was like it's in send the woman and the way these people seconds no my press conference seconds no my meeting no I'm asking myself to say our people in Nigeria saa no omo ho to omo anase den asama mi bisa no saa no omo ho to omo anase den. And these are some of the things you're fighting with Krumha. Say you been here for this particular and ensem. And how do I say it? A+4. None make us no more issue. And some of you guys are on the comment section say you say A+4 then and I say no issue say me no more some say me no more change. But as my me person me say A+4 say you nim say omo esi ho esi omo na so say enkofo ne mo bone omo ye no Ghana no betu ase ama Ghana for ye ni me person dey need omo so say omo so beboa ama this particular name ayekoso Ghana no anu abrase abusua obe comment say ade na A+4 aye din e wo this particular Nigeria for foreigners insensem ho ana omo akoji sika na me reply say is no authorities ehun sa message no omo ka kire me say ente sa no bia krampo ntimi bribe sebi A+ member bia na omuhun process even A+ member bi afa kuntu asekura akoji pani bi sika anase ademude bi akosokura na asotwea nipa no se fata no omo de beden ebema no abusua anti opening kase baako contact me Mr. Santa contact me no o mam audio. I don't want to play the audio right now. But church me baby a omo de letter akwakupi. I mean chieftaincy mu abamu any baby also omo de ko. Abusua omo de letter ni nyina ekokokokoko sa places na abusua. Emu nsem ne de bebre da fofo na ebe kirikirem. Enti enye se A+4 common watum. Some of the comments so that mean sakana as a course I mean sakano and they be a mokasa no action. Listen, the time platform we also make catch us say ebra penny nestana ebe lidi demonstration chinchinchi our tons afro bibia region by region. In fact region ni na obi amra na demonstration yemfa nyina so na aban ni hu se de ekoso kromu hana yeni enye de enje ho wan hwe ya 2 years 3 years 5 years to come no na oma we no eya ahoho ene sebi omo kire nipa ye ntwusu nimfa ni ade sebi nde uko England abrochiri mem kopie ho a UK omo ka kire UK for say omo cross no dem no enye omo fe omo nyimfrim that's a Muslim for mo UK ebedum brebi na ye benya this microphone we a omo timi wi nipa ku nipa kidnap nipa eji nipa hu sika fi ne ho edi nipa wu omo nwene ho sankrofu na ebedi yeso na say yesi nipa boni ni di oman so oman si epini enti ye ntena ma na ma boni si enkoso ye bra pini next na eto nsa frɛ adofo na hwefo nyina sɛ omomra na ombe support no I mean support say nye sɛ obetwe sika na baby but support say mu nyina mo repo na I mean ye de oye chene de ejina so na ewo say okohu authorities anxiety de oye chene ba so wo ho kwan say as an individual group mbetime lead demonstration but I was a authority if in penny for her. I mean, I was a police for guiding money as a phone. I also called sa and money free in penny for her. Or they are called up to now. Processing in young way. That is the reason why I am quiet. And the more I am from say, and I'm more no action. No action never cost. When you say youth president all the time, and also can say and check demonstration. There also different groups are more Ghana ha or more the homogeneous man and can. Now the yekin say. Yenya yenka ye hombom na yemwa na bibia ntimnya bokọ enkambo mu no se we be free ha na nke yenya abom se ba akompo na nke yenya ya den yetu anamo na so mprempre se nkofo ho hyehye wo mo ene desperate na ewo krum ha ntino obia ye na adwen se osore ya obe demonstration and eye fise yankase ye tiri hu a yibone no be yen hwe nkofo ye ho ato mo silent so so metire krum ha enipa ye pam wo mo no afempo ne ye mu omo card enipa ye pam wo mo no afine destiny mu abetena wo se ono be president last week ne destiny mu no betena wo se or stand president ama Nigeria for mo Ghana anti Ghana for ene Nigeria for no support no na ne company wie pay na ne policy or board be hyehyɛ de ama ne nkrofo no ko be kyerɛ o mo mefasa tena Ghana ha e ko be kyerɛ Nigeria for me fi Nigeria ba Ghana ha in fact aba betena ha no edipa ye pam mu no this week ya ewuro mu ye ne Sunday yi abusua ena yehu se meeting bi so akoso be 2 days 3 days ago a mo so kyerɛ o mo card ahodo yi abusua enti no ye pam wo mo no afi na bi ye dai e ba kurum ha indeed Ghana pe na be hu sade we enti what we are saying is say mabunu me yankan humbom na ye moa na se yento na mo ne yankan humbom na ya moa na se yentu nkofo yase a ebe kakra ebe gi nyina ye nsem me de bedi kan ka kyerɛ se ebia wo do wo nua wo maame wo papa wo ba okɔ beba ebia na wo nua de okɔ anu amba na akoye nsem bibiri abusua bomoden na join group bia obe join o my adwin say o meko a fight this nkofo we efise nye ba akofo ena nsa betima kata nyakopon eni epesefo se bra be support be join wo mo na yen share ideas yen put action at the end of the day no bibia betime we pay na yetime tu nkofo yi sebe ye the measures kura to akwan mu ya mpamo mu so nkomukum ye the measures to mo sebe bibini free the krom kodrublo ni krom a ya hyehye mrama no a sebe no nkase ne board ne ba wi asempo opo be hwe no Africa no wanhwe na cha support ngwantwia aban betimi agye ne paper abona ba ne krom ono wankasa ne bawo nti no it is hamla to akwan mu na se bi pro timi adwuma Ghana ha ni ampam this particular nkofo ya yina yeni bede ebeji epese force bra opese on join epes group na obetimi awura me die mu me the number be ma authorities no na authorities na join no right now my number be ase me fan to obia nti me number no me studio line na ofa na ofra na se o WhatsApp me a o ma me odua na me the number na akoma mpenifo ani udin na o ma join no na nkoma be koso no wodi bi na ohun de e koso de o mpese o mo ye o de bo my konkro Ghana enye ku asabe o mu be di bo no me ye ku o me ye se dia bi na mum si ye benye ye fa ho die o mu be kasa me sole akasa etia af company so said yet online aye ka no o do me present sa evidence nda kuma mpanifo no one on one say no ma boa na bibia etimi ere aye boko de am ekuru a nti bomode na be join yepes sanso na person support wo mo so a eno nso no omo elugu no na da ho kakaka no bank details no so sanso na mobile money number no MTN line o support wo mo so a na eno so mu tutu anamo because so mo ko even so mo akra na mbaso mo ko Eastern Regional abusua kara mo de beko mbaso mo kumase a sebe panini o mo ko nanim no yesi panini anim ye nkono kwa anahimfi ye nkono kwa nti se wo de nsa kwa ahimfi nsa mba de adami se wo kwa ahimfi wo de nsa beko nti ye den ya sa na mani nyina bebo o se nyina yekoboa no mutim tu anamo fi se meko no ye nkono kwa ahinsa na tie we se obi ko jo bisika akodi na mmom abusua ye ya de ye bebo ye nyina na fa hodi aba ekronim na sebe nchirima amebre nti sempanifo ne bi frɛ wa buche na so mo WhatsApp a o msi ye de nyine o na mo na mo ye nkora enokora ye ne ye nkora ti yansole ne yan fight a obi ene obe fight amaye ye de ni to government so ye de ni to leader bi so a na hwese asemu ya come from last year opposition leader ba ko mpo nyini timpo se ono so be condemn de ekoso ba rather omufu aso se yenye Africa borderless including Ghana ye nyine borderless mpo a border ho mpo ena he terrorist akuku ye nkrofo e wo sebe Burkina enem de amomotofo bo me ntiatem nya hwe isi na so yeti krum ha akoma danfo aduantus akoma dan aduantus ye nto ye kɔ Burkina nti e pasa minkum ya anase aban no mfanhye bi ngu akwan mu nti na ye ntimi process ye de wo ha disi ye kɔ ne kɔfa nana we no na boka ne jakompo kwa me Japan se akoma dan ye tuntus anko oba obeye factory obeye ministry chese atimi process me ye didwa no ha sei sasa no one of the campaign messages na on the buying you see entinu ye was hani mani bia ye was hani mani na bi Ghana hanim sei by sense poor leadership ekoso wo Ghana montino e konkro format so ne kodidwa yakofa amane no how e de ho e de abre ye sabi ye busuafo hwese obi na omom ko wie ba kon yere nyam nyombo yoku obedidin na akora na woni yem no onya hoden tinye busuafo de busu mu kakakakakra ono so di adwenwa no wo nu okọ na munim sema yo man yebone mene bibi aka de meka nyina na se de mimi sai nyina ne se de mkrofo ni agye omutima press conference omo ato omi I decided not to talk about it but minya tax bebre na onya video nim say me the video ni ba eno na hefo timi nya kire o madwen o comment section na ebisu send audio na ya kama mpanimfo na te ne audio so na ye bo no so no akọ akiri minim course aya minya any baby a me hu audio no enti no won keep on sending the audio or send ya say tintin say titi ani na me body am no say ha de audio na ye 1 hour kra me body am no problem pon kaka no bi age ne share enti the days what it is ha Jami Media mo subscribe channel like na ebusu kuno ngonya kakaka edi am jeso na ya akukọ GH utimi frame ebi wi asa na yense mebe ahin usima bonta TV na ya TV akukọ GH utimi frame ebi wi asa na majoso
sikasamunye abrabo samunye de bia abrabo onko pressure utuma ebi ama se hu mi hura pese o yibutu abuabem ema bibia condemn dia me ama de bibia ni ho abetuma
okay si e kase huhuma ware no den na etimi eye ni pa brabo
o e kase huhuma ware ware tu se wa brabo once
so bia wale huhuma se wa brabo
ama obusuafo a town ama bibia o wi asibia town na wia ase usika sika bebon sam besh wadwuma besh
na de ntina se na se wale huhuma de na misika sem de se nka wo sa huhuma no bo na nka ekoso nta de ntina na obi huhuma wale sanse ni sika sem
e kase huhuma ware e huhuma ntu tunya ware wa osore di tia se wa brabo huhuma ware nya de pa humpa ba uto ade kwantentene
eni yedie ne breu
e mana vuo e pota se obane ere nimba sane boni de onde se bibia humpa di e bibia
okay entina na kwaku ye wo humuma ye humpa o ware wo de yedie bi brabo
nana mopia Auko mwenye misuame Auko mwenye misuame Nikutamani surubi ya mebasi ya chiramu Enti muma miawisi na muma miabuje Yakase kwa mwa uti nise Yakase chiramu wa ube unu Ubintitia hapa niya Yanu mwashua ya konfuo Utitia hapa ya uyo disini Yanu uyo disini wate Enya akom ni akom Akom ni dewa kwa mwa chiramu